Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So OnePlus released a new version of their OnePlus launcher and it seems like they're gearing up for OnePlus 8 launch. And it will have a changed UI like we have in this version. So it is compatible with most of the OnePlus devices. And in this video, let's have a look at the new features of this updated launcher. So let's get started. And if you wish to stay notified about the latest videos, do press that subscribe button and then hit the bell icon next to it. It's free and helps the channel out. So it seems like this launcher is still not available on the Google Play Store. So you can download the APK from link in description area and install the APK itself, or you can wait for it to get updated on the Google Play Store. Now let's talk about the new features this updated launcher brings. Well, first of all, the Recents tab has this new UI that I feel is a good refinement, as you can now see what apps are open in the background without scrolling left or right. And this icon carousel is quite handy, and it definitely makes the overall experience quite user friendly, as you will have to work less to switch or close the apps. So that is something cool. Apart from this, you can see we had that cross button previously to close all the apps. So that is also gone now, and we have this close apps button, which is more like in Pixel phones. And I was okay with the previous one as well, but this one is also good and I have no complaints so far. So the last visual change. Now the 3-dot menu options are gone from the recent screen, and I used to like the previous UI because now you have to long press and get that list of options and then go for the action you wish to perform. So I have mixed feelings for that, but this takes it more close to the Pixel type UI, and I hope you guys will like all the add-ons, as they are a step in the right direction. But the devices like OnePlus 6 and 6T are still struggling for a stable Android 10 update. But I hope that will also happen soon. So that's it. These were the changes that were new in the OnePlus launcher. Like this video if it helps you out, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like these. And I'll see you guys in the next one.